Whether you like to throw a shrimp on the barbie or grill a couple of burgers, having a clean barbecue is not only inviting, but also make your food taste better too. Cleaning your barbecue is a big job and we've brought in the big guns. Wagner's an expert from UrbanYou and he's here to give you tips to clean your barbecue. So Wagner, what do we need to clean the barbecue?
So we need cloths, we need sponge, we need gloves, we need steel wool, and we need non-toxic oven cleaner.
Non-toxic is really important because this is where you cook your food, so you want to keep it nice and safe.
Step one is actually heating up the barbecue, so turn everything on.
So what, about 60, 70 degrees?
That's perfect. More than that actually will evaporate the chemical.
Okay, good point. And before we get started, when it actually starts to cool down, we turn off the gas point as well.
So now we have our barbecue warmed enough, so we will just apply the product. Just let the chemical sit for a little bit, for 2 minutes, and then start scrubbing. It's quite a lot coming off now because I have just applied the product, so most of it will come off already in the first time you use the product. But you have to reuse it because everything is not going to come off in the first time, at the first try. Okay, so now the plate is off, so we just put it in water here.
So we're using a tub, but if you want to use your laundry sink, that's great too.
If you use it very constantly, it's good to actually give it a full clean, a good scrub once every 2 months at least.
Wow, look at that water. That is what your food has been cooking on.
All right, so we just give a good rinse. It's all clean now. You can actually use it to cook food on top of it.
Okay, that's done. So now let's tackle the outside. How do we get this looking all nice and shiny?
Alrighty, so you just need a good multi-purpose and a good sponge, a non-abrasive one, so you can actually avoid leaving any marks or any risks on top of it.
So I see you using a non-abrasive sponge, which is fantastic for stainless steel. For glass, would you use a microfiber cloth?
Yes, a microfiber cloth would work just fine, but if it's just too grubby or bad condition, then non-abrasive sponge will also definitely help.